As per research, the productivity of workers in their workplace is one of the most important elements, and the environmental temperature plays a big role in this aspect. An increase in the temperature in the industry affects human efficiency, makes workers lazy, and reduces productivity. In addition to this research, a study also shows that workers' productivity can be increased by increasing the level of thermal comfort in the workplace. Thinking about our customers' need, Clarion coolers bring you the most efficient and widest range of portable industrial coolers to help you gain maximum production efficiency. Our state-of-the-art portable evaporative coolers include Aura Series, Twister Series, and Ventilion Series. Unlike other cooling systems, these portable evaporative coolers are designed to offer you less capital investment that reduces the burden on high fixed capital. Low running cost helps you save on energy bills. Easy installations, as no ductwork are required, that makes it hassle-free and saves time. Easy maintenance that reduces your annual maintenance significantly. They also are used as an effective spot cooling solution. These portable coolers can be used in large factories, warehouses, shop floors, automobile sectors, garment industries, outdoor restaurants, and many more. And the best part is, they are proudly manufactured in India using the highest quality components. Contact us to know more.